Okay, so hello. Today we are going to look at only one sentence. This will be a short series, and that is numbers. So where do we put numbers in a sentence? So here's our sentence. I have 2 brothers and 3 sisters. So the first thing we're going to do, of course, as always, is identify everything in the sentence, write our subject, object, verbs, and all of those. So I, our subject, have, that is our verb. Just go put a V. 2 is a number, so we'll just do this because we don't want to get confused with negatives. Brothers, it's a subject, but it's also an object. So let's go S/O because it depends. Now, and we don't need this, so we're going to go ahead and cross that out. Now, before we continue, remember, ASL, we don't sign this. We don't need to sign and. There is a sign, but we don't need to. So really, think about it. We can use a list, my brother and my sisters. We could use reference, so we can, like I said, I can use a list on my fingers. I can put them in space. There are many different ways that you could sign a sentence that has the word and without actually ever signing the word and. And so let's go back to identifying. We have numbers, so put a little pound symbol there, and then another S/O, subject/object. So now, this sentence, do we need to mix up everything? No, actually, we can just basically follow this. We don't really want to mix things up. So there's going to be a little bit of movement, but for the most part, we can just follow what it is in English. So let's go ahead and start putting up all of our posters. As always, we can see everything is in capital letters because we do want to distinguish our gloss from our ASL. The number posters you can see have it written out, and also the number is drawn out as well. It is up to you on how you want to do that. So now, how are we going to rearrange these? So now we do remember the noun adjective rule, right? Nouns first and then adjective. So new computer is going to be computer new, right? Computer and new, right? We would always follow that computer new, noun, adjective format, right? And so we're going to apply that to numbers as well. So we're going to go ahead and switch brother and 2 and sister and 3. So this all has to do with remembering, right? We can't just sign new what? What is new? I can't just sign 3 what? 3 what? You need to inform people first on what is the noun, what is the point, and then give us the specifics, right? So first we need to be very general, and then we can pinpoint further down. So brother, what about my brothers? There's 2 of them. Sisters, what about them? There's 3. So let's go ahead and get rid of those because we don't need them. So now let's go ahead, we've done that, and let's go ahead and finish this up. But wait a minute. Have